right into this world.
Hey guys, Ozarks HD Riders here. We're taking a little trip to Lebanon, Missouri to Ozarks Harley Davidson dealer. We got about 10 miles more to go before we get there, but we'll get there. I might record a little bit there while I'm there. It's supposed to be 64 degrees today, so we'll find out. Still a little on the chilly side right now. Yeah, that's a sharp corner. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Talk to y'all here in just a little bit. We're gonna make our way through town here, and I won't record anything through town, so anyways, we'll see you here back in a little bit. Alright, we're in Lebanon. We ain't that far from the Harley dealer now. Going to Ozarks Harley Davidson, Lebanon, Missouri. I think that's where I was supposed to turn. I don't know where this thing goes. Yeah, I missed my turn. I did indeed I did. This should come out to the same road though. If not, we'll turn around, cut through that parking lot. Dead end. So that's what we gotta do, turn around. And looks like Dawn's still behind us, so still there. He's still with us. Well, they smoothed this road out since the last time we was up here. Ain't been that long ago. There's Interstate I-44. I try to stay off of. You can all see the Harley Davidson sign up there in the sky to the left or not, but that's where we're going. Ozarks Harley Davidson. They actually have this store here in Lebanon, and then they have one in Ozarks up at Lake of the Ozarks. That's what I was trying to think of. Same owner that owns both of them. Definitely tell it's windy. See that big old flag up there? That's that silver car over there revving it up. Yeah, that's what it was. Alright, we're here. Like they got a few vehicles here too. Yeah, you can gonna get him some new exhaust here today for his Softail. Make it loud. Alright, check back with you guys in a bit. There you go, was our Harley Davidson. Sun's bright out here, I can tell you that. This whole road right here is just a bunch of used bikes that they got. They sit out here to sell. Make a little gander down through here around all of these. About any color you want. Just about any color you want. Looks like a Harley track like Shaky's got. And those are customer bikes right there, those two. There's the Harley sign if you can see it. I don't know, the sun's shining. Alright. We're out of here. Later. Alright, now we're coming into the little town of Halfway, Missouri. And the reason why they call it Halfway, Missouri is because it's halfway between Bolivar and halfway between Buffalo. It's the halfway point. Won't take long to go through here either. There's people out enjoying their day, working. That's what I should be doing. Got a bunch of stuff I need to get done. I'd hate to get done one of these days. Yeah, alright, that's it. We're out of the town of Halfway. Yeah, the old Ford Fairlane's still sitting there. It's a 4-door. And it's pretty rusted. Yeah, we're fixing to come back into my hometown, Bolivar. We're gonna pull into the gas station and top this thing off. I don't like to go home, take a trip, go home, and leave a quarter or half tank of gas in there for not even a couple of weeks. I always try to top it off when I get done riding and I go home. That way it's sitting there with a full tank of gas and the tank ain't gonna rust out and ain't gonna have any problems. So this is where we're going right now. It's one of the best places you can get gas right here in this town. Okay. Look, it's a moon mama. Let me tickle your chin. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kill it. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Later.